There was a time when Americans built a lot of square houses. They didn't much like them, but they were easy to heat. Good morning. I'm jslosson, the old math guy down the hall. Yes, I have been teaching resistant and reluctant students for over 53 years, which is longer than most of you have been alive. Today, I want to talk about the shape of your house. They didn't like their square houses back in the 30s and 40s because nobody had any privacy. 4 bedrooms, tiny short hallway, 1 bathroom. Everybody was into everybody's business. 1 bathroom, but they were easy to heat. You had 1 big central furnace down in the basement, burned wood or coal, usually, sometimes oil, and they heated the house by convection. But they were stuck with these houses. Today's lab explores the whole notion of the shape and the perimeter. We'll leave the perimeter the same and we'll change the shape. And the great thing about this lab is it's good for Fridays. You don't have any setup at all. The kids just need a pencil, a ruler, a straight edge will do, and some colored pencils. And this thing can take up a whole hour if you demand they be neat. And you can get out of there and go home and grade these papers in about 10 minutes per class. We have the usual first page with some vocabulary, and here's the chart they're going to fill in. They're going to make 5 drawings. They're all going to have a perimeter of 22, and then they will have, the area will change, obviously. The whole notion then is to get them to think about how can the area change when the perimeter stays the same. And later on, we'll ask them what's the most efficient shape you could possibly have for a house. After the kids have got all their data on the chart, we want them to go ahead and put it on a graph. We put the perimeter in there. It's 22 inches. There's the area for each size of rectangle. And we should probably ask them to think a little bit about why is this line straight and why is this line curved and why isn't a linear. That would give them plenty to think about. And then we throw in some practice at the back end. Everybody gets the project done. They all get 4 points. We all go home and we're happy. By the way, area is squarea. Well, it's a pretty short lab. It doesn't require a lot of setup on your part. And kids can learn a lot. You can get into a discussion at the end of what would be the most efficient shape for a house. And obviously it will be a circle if it had a circumference of 22 inches. The problem is nobody likes round houses because there's no place to put the furniture and there's no corners, and on and on and on. I want to thank you guys for everything you do to help make every kid successful in math. If you want to keep watching till the end of the video, I will put up the individual pages of this lab and you can pause it and take a screenshot. If you'd like a really clean copy, send me an email, jim@prealgebra.net, and I will send you a PDF that has the lab, the handout, and the answer key. Thanks for watching. If you want to hit the like button, that would help me. Thank you.